Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So today it is Saturday and I'm really excited because I'm going to see Ollie today. If you guys are new to my channel, then you probably don't know who Ollie is. He's my friend that lives here in Korea. He teaches English, and just because of the virus, I have not been able to see him in like 3 or 4 months. Even though we FaceTime like on the weekly, I have not been able to see him. So I'm really excited because I am going up to see him today. It is currently about 11 a.m. and I am about to go to the train station and then hop on the train. It'll only take about 45 minutes to an hour to get there. So here is the bag that I have packed. Honestly, I feel like I have so much stuff with me, but I packed the bare minimum. I am bringing Cleo with me, and I'm not sure if we're gonna stay just 1 night or 2 nights. It's kind of just like a free-for-all. I'll figure it out once I get there. Oh, and also he has a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna leave that linked below. He makes videos all about teaching and living in Korea. And yeah, that's actually how I connected with him, through YouTube. Cleo, are you ready to go see Kevin? Ollie has a dog. She's met him before, and they don't really play together. They just kind of like sit next to each other. Hi guys, so I'm with Ollie. Can we just talk about that taxi ride?
Mad.
Like,
Mad.
I'm used to crazy taxi drivers, but that guy was just like, he was feeling this weather. He was like, vroom.
It was like roller coaster.
Right, I felt like I was on a roller coaster. Anyways, we are now at Ollie's apartment, and it's so exciting because he actually moved into a new apartment, what, like a month and a half ago? No, 2 months ago, right?
Sure, a little while ago.
Yeah, it's actually my first time being here right now, and I haven't even walked around his apartment. I wanted to get my reaction or just like first looks on camera. So here we are. It's quite a bit bigger, right? Than your last.
It's a lot bigger.
Yeah, it's
even every single room is larger.
Yeah, his last place was like a 1 room, but it was, I mean, it was just like a small.
It was like a traditional Korean 1 room, bed and closet.
Yeah. So you walk in. He's got a little side table right here.
This is my bedroom.
Oh.
I bought this mattress because the other one was a rock.
Right.
There's not too much else in here, but I've got a closet on the left.
Cool.
A bathroom with my exceptionally dirty towel, which is
nice.
Wonderful.
Got a nice shower.
Yeah, it's like half Western, half Korean.
Yeah.
There's no door.
Oh yeah.
But it's
That's
also
like my
not
shower.
Connected to the thing.
Yeah, no door.
I've got my studio here.
Oh my goodness. Whoa, this is so much bigger than I thought it would be.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa, so Ollie made like a chalkboard looking thing. Yeah. It's a real chalkboard,
yeah. It really works. Yeah, it does work.
Because he films a lot of videos about school, so.
Yeah, that's what my channel's all
about.
Yeah. So, yeah. I did my chalkboard, and then I have a second channel with Disney bounding, so these are like the wallets and stuff that I paint. This is my Halloween costume. I just don't have the heart to put it away. I just love it so much.
Oh my gosh, I love your closet.
Thank you. It's like my pride.
Yeah, it's really nice. You can probably be so much more creative, like having this whole studio,
I really
right?
can. Like I feel. Yeah.
Wow.
So
this room.
This is my lounge. Obviously, there's
oh,
a sofa.
New sofa. Cleo, do you like it? Is it okay that she's on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Kevin likes to sit there and cry all the day, so yeah.
And then you have, oh, I'm so
Balcony.
jealous. Oh my god.
I adore
It's
this.
literally huge.
I adore this room. I really do.
This is giant. And
I
then
want to get like 2 seats and then like a table so I can sit. And actually all these windows are like fully open. So you can just sit here with
beautiful in the summer.
views.
I would just love to have like my morning coffee out here.
That's what I do. I like calm and over the little railing.
Yeah, and Cleo likes it out here. She loves having like the fresh.
She's loving it. Kevin hates this room.
Really? Oh, she loves being outside. And here's his kitchen. It's so big.
And I've got really so much food in.
Big ass. Oh, that's a big ass fridge and freezer.
With only beer and milk.
It looks normal size on camera, but it's actually giant.
It's really, really
yeah. And then
my entire freezer is full.
Kitchen, and you got this. Is this new or did you have?
Okay. The old apartment, yeah.
Okay, very nice. I brought you a little housewarming. That's my lens. I brought you a little housewarming gift. Because
oh, that's so nice. Thank
do you
you.
like it?
I love this. Where did you get this?
Daiso. Yeah, it's pretty much all from Daiso. So
this is
cheap.
Can I open this?
Yeah. No, you can't. So Ollie loves Disney. So like,
obsessed with
Disney gift is a must.
Oh, you got me masks?
Yes.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Masks are still like a thing here in Korea.
Okay. What else did we get? You got me a lot of stuff, man.
So that, yeah, it's just something I got.
Is this sun cream?
Mm-hmm.
I needed sun cream.
Perfect.
You know me very well.
I guess I do.
Oh my god, this is so cute. It's a Mickey Mouse frying pan. I love these. Aren't they so cute?
They're not great for the environment. Like, I know sponges actually are really bad for the environment, but when I saw Disney sponges, I was like, okay, just this one time.
Oh my god, cute.
Yeah, cute little bowl. You know, I know how much you love Frozen.
Oh my god, I love this. This is so adorable. It's
Ollie.
Frozen 2 and everything.
Yeah. Oh! So here's
it's traditional in Korea.
Yeah, so in Korea, when like you move into an apartment, you bring them toilet paper.
And no one's visited me because of the corona, so you're the first person to bring me toilet roll, so thank you.
And do you notice what's on it? It's Hello Kitty toilet paper. It's not just normal.
That's everything.
Yeah, it's Hello Kitty. And finally, or wait, no.
Oh, we're not finally yet.
Okay, and that is just hand sanitizer.
Oh, cool.
Because you know,
Great.
gotta stay safe, and it's great for on the go.
Gotta be clean. And this is finally. Cute. Yes. A towel. This is perfect to replace that really dirty one that we just saw.
For the walk. Alright, so we decided that we were gonna come over to this museum. What's the name of it?
Daegu Art Museum.
Art Museum. And it's just like such a beautiful day. I'm literally wearing short sleeves right now, not cold at all. And we thought we would have a little picnic. So don't worry, we already sanitized our hands. You know what someone commented on my video? They said, why do you have to show you sanitizing your hands?
Because it's important.
Well, that, and also if I don't show it, people are gonna be like, why didn't you sanitize your hands?
Yeah,
so
literally,
like, you can literally never win. But I just want you guys to know, we sanitized our hands.
Yeah.
We're having a little picnic, and we were like, let's get some beers because it's a beautiful day, and I'm drinking my favorite. This is Hawaiian. It's Big Wave. Look at that froth. Just reminds me of Hawaii when I drink this. But I want to do a taste test. We got these. Oh, those are good.
Yogurt covered?
Yeah, it's like yogurt. It kind of just tastes like a cereal.
Ooh.
Oh, you guys. First of all, it is absolutely stunning over here. But what do you know? The old Rona ruining everything once again. So the museum.
By 2 days. 2 days.
Yeah, in 2 days this place opens, which goes to show that this place actually is becoming very safe to be in.
Yeah.
But it's unfortunately closed today. But it's all good. I mean, this was a beautiful place to walk around, and it gave me a
lovely
chance.
picnic.
Yeah, lovely picnic. Enjoyed our beers. So what should our next move be? Should we like venture like to a cafe
somewhere? Yes.
Like, okay.
Maybe we can find a cool cafe nearby. That'd be really cool.
Thank you, Ollie. He made me a cup. guys, of English breakfast tea.
I don't know if it's English breakfast tea, we just call it tea.
Okay, well I call it English breakfast tea. So if you guys didn't know, I was raised in England and I lived there for my first 9 years of life. And Ollie is clearly from England, so we share our...
She just asked me how many cups of tea I drink a day, which is such a foolish question.
The limit does not exist. It is currently 8:21. We got back a little while ago from our adventures out in downtown.
It was so fun.
It was so fun. Like, the weather was perfect. We had a great time. We did some window shopping. We went to a cafe, just kind of strolled around. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. But it is now obviously later on, and oh my gosh, look at Cleo. And we have just been doing a little bit of work. I helped Ollie film a YouTube video. He edited it. I just finished my thumbnail and I uploaded my video, so just kind of took a little break, and I believe we're gonna go eat dinner in a little bit. So yeah. What? Oh yeah, we gotta walk our puppies first, obviously. Do you see how big this is? It's literally the size of my head, and it's Tigger. So we are at dinner. Oh,
Friendship. Solid friendship.
Okay, so we're back at CU for a snack run.
Yeah, buddy.
We currently have just some like OG snacks like shin ramen.
And we got those yogurt crisps from before.
The yogurt,
they're so good.
Yeah,
man.
really good. But we don't actually know like what the next move is. Oh, ice cream for sure.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
they replenished.
They have
Now with grapes.
Wait, we actually like this is like
We need it.
we need it. Like, it's not like a want. It's like,
You know, in Korean they would say 필요해.
yeah, 필요해.
It's necessary, okay?
Like, we're actually like, we can't leave without it.
Oh, you know what we should have? You know what we should have? Corn flavored ice cream. Delicious.
Maybe some grape flavor.
Margaret Chan either has Ebola or a very bad cold. In any event, you're up.
Where?
Good morning.
Morning.
Actually, good afternoon. Yeah, because this girl slept late. Wow. Looks delicious, right?
Yeah.
So we
I'm
just...
a pig and I've already started.
Oh, barely. Shut up. It's French toast, sausage, egg, daily vegetable, which is just salad. Oh, no. This is daily vegetable.
No, this is not. This is.
Oh.
This is the daily.
Okay. And French toast. Did I already say that? And then orange juice and coffee. So.
And an orange.
잘 먹겠습니다. Hi guys, so it is later on now. It's actually, oh my gosh, it's already 5:40.
Wow.
So Ollie and I just filmed 2 videos. We filmed one for his channel talking about Hagwon's closing down, and we just filmed a video for my channel reacting to your assumptions about living in Korea. So yeah, we've been busy all afternoon.
All afternoon.
Yeah, filming.
It's been fun.
It's like raining today, so she's feeling very anxious. But I wanted to show you guys how cool this setup is when we're actually like sitting here. This was a very comfortable like filming spot. I absolutely love his studio.
We actually did like a full like tour of this room, which
Right.
should be on my channel as this comes out.
Yes, I filmed it.
Yeah. Yes, you did film it. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, so it is later on in the evening. Now I am home, I'm back in Busan. Cleo and I made it back safely, and I just wanted to close off the video here. I had such a fun time with Ollie. I'm so incredibly grateful for my friendship with him. I feel like when you're living abroad, it's so important to establish like a couple of solid friendships like that, because it can be hard, you know, being super far from your friends and your family back home. But he's just someone that like I am so glad the universe put him in my life. So I'm gonna leave his channels linked below. We also filmed a couple videos together. I'll have all of those links below as well. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me on there as well. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.